Hi friends, welcome back to Walking the Beach with Miss Myers. So today we're walking the Lahala Beach Cave. So this cave has 145 steps going down, so it's kind of long, but don't worry, you're not going down all 145 with me. The first part of the video is only going to go to halfway. So what I want you to do is I want you to use your imagination the first few minutes of the video. I want you to think about what we're going to go see. Are we going to go see sea lions? Are we going to go see crabs? Are we going to go see starfish? Maybe see some cool gems or anything else. I want you to think of what we're going to go see. And that will help you for when we go down into the cave. So go ahead and continue watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for coming and joining me today. I'm really excited to go and travel to Lahala Cave and see all the really cool things down there. So enjoy the travel, even the 145 steps. They do get smaller at the top and bigger at the bottom, so hopefully we don't see Miss Myers fall. But I hope you guys enjoyed so much. I will see you soon. Bye guys. Yeah.
If you want, you can wait here. I'll go back and get the car when we get out.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Phew. Oh, it's been forever since I ran like that.
145 steps.
Good Lord.
All the way down.
Oh, are you recording?
That's okay. I'm literally gonna take the the sound off of this one, because I'd rather not them hear me not be able to breathe. Okay. So we made it all the way down to the bottom of the caves, and it is beautiful. So down here you can usually find some sea lions, which are mammals. You can find little crabs, which you'll see in the video of what the cave looks like around here. And then the water also brings up certain types of fish. So this cave is really cool and really old and made out of rocks. And it took 145 steps to get down here, which you will see on our way back up. But it is beautiful and the view is beautiful. And go ahead and look at the video that is attached and you will see. So we are being bombarded by waves right now, which is kind of cool to look at from the beginning of the cave. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.
The kayaking tours. Little crabs.
So as you can see, there's certain particles up on the rocks. They look like that. Those are called salt particles. So the rocks, or salt rocks, they make crystals. They make all other sorts of cool things that you can see in everyday life. They also are like where diamonds can be found and different kind of jewels. So because of the salt, it also helps with the salt water. So the caves kind of come with that. So again, different kind of rocks. There's sand rocks, there's secondary rocks. There are no metamorphic rocks because this is not made from a volcano. It's just made from the water. So you have the water crashing in, so the salt kind of goes into the water and makes it salt water. There you guys go.
It feels funny.
Have to climb over all of those.
Go swimming with sea lions. Now he's tanning. Went for a dip, now it's time to tan. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today and looking at sea lions and our sea cave. I hope you learned a lot. Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow.